What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna show you how to hack the daily missions. First, let's see, it's D word. No, we'll change it. Okay, we're gonna hit 2,000, comma, and then either the diamonds or the coins again. I don't know. Or you could do these right here. You can lower them. That's what I did to get 100 gems. But you could hack them for more. But I didn't know. I found out like once I got the 100 gems. And we're gonna hit 100. Okay. Search. Modify now. I'm gonna hit, let's see, 43. Because I want that. Okay. Go back and forth. Yep. When we play and you get it, see, it changed to 43. This didn't. It's just like a decoy. Sometimes it has to be like on things that, like this guy. I don't know, but that's how you have to play. Let's try before my 3 minutes are up. Come on. You're trying to get the hat because it's Christmas. Special. Maybe not. No, forget it. Alright, that's it. Comment below, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's it.